The basic foundation for a human being's well-being is Hridaya, that is heart. And I'm happy to say that Hridaya Foundation, the name which itself denotes that they have understood the importance of a healthy heart in a being. Unless the heart is healthy, I don't think a human being is going to be perfect. And we always keep saying, a kind-hearted person, a good-hearted person. So the importance is always for a heart. But we do say intelligent person, but we never refer to the brain. But when we talk in terms of a human being, then we say a good-hearted person, a kind-hearted person. So that is the importance of the heart. I'm extremely happy that Hridaya Foundation, along with Star Hospital and our overseas collaborators, have commenced this experiment in trying to minimize congenital heart defects. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our ancient Indian tradition has always been faith in the Almighty for everything. Today, we do realize that with advanced Medicare available, while faith in the Almighty is certainly non-negotiable, inevitable, but I think we need to have greater faith and trust in our doctors, the brave hearts that I find here today. Well, I will talk to you more as a layman, and so most of my ideas may be impractical, but all the same, you being doctors, you know how to sort of open it up, rip it open, or give it a sort of a ventilator or a shunt or whatever it is, and put a system and make it work. So I'll only provide you the basic heart, which is a non-functional heart, that is for you to make it functional. Now the Hridaya Foundation has started a very noble venture in which we have been looking at congenital defects, and since the commencement of this foundation, over 1200 surgeries I believe have been performed. It is also heartwarming to realize that once a child becomes a property of the Star Hospital, the child remains the property of the hospital till the last. This I think is an excellent proposition. See, for every checkup, if the patient has to pay an amount, because the government reimbursement under the Aarogyasri program is a one-time affair. It is not a repetitive one. So I was extremely happy to note about this particular proposition, and I would really appeal to all hospital management, corporate hospital management, to give this a thought, whether they could sort of enroll their patients on a permanent basis, that is, you become life members or life patients of the hospital, so that we are assured of continual care of that particular patient.